Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Yeah guys, today I have one little story for you. Yes sir, dancehall singer Shenseea, a hint, she fans them brother over the weekend on Twitter. Say boy, she thinks she woulda like to make some of the money for Onlyfans too. So she tweet and say, I act like I'm okay, but deep down I want some of that Onlyfans money. So what really is Onlyfans? Well, for those of you who don't know, Onlyfans is a social media platform where members are free to post whatever content them feel like, from soft to hardcore X-rated porn, and then now their fans pay and get the privilege to see these pictures or videos, and some of them perform acts, sensual acts and whatever it is, and you pay your money and you get to do it. Yes sir. So that's basically what Onlyfans is all about. So Shenseea declared that say boy she want make little of the money, because since this whole pandemic a lot of the artists and celebrity turn to Onlyfans brother for make little money, because no money now come in, and so a lot of them have sign up. There are a few Jamaicans who have signed up that we know about. There might be others, but the few where we know about who sign up is like the Angel and Aishana. Yes, they have signed up, and the Angel, she did tell her fans that she signed up after people go on her page and leak some of her pictures. Boy, did I get out of hand till she all did a plan for sue them and all kind of something. But anyway, the Angel have about 100,000 subscribers, so she eat a little food off her OnlyFans. And Aisha, she declares she is now a multi-millionaire, because she says she make millions off of it. So it look like that catch Shenseea attention, and she decides that she wants to share a piece of the pie too. So she decides say she go run in pan it and make little of the money. Well, she get mixed reaction from her fans. Some of them are say, go on, go do it, my girl, do your thing. And some of them kinda skeptic about it. So me no know. Comment below and tell me what you think about it now, because as you say, some people say people them are big people and them can do whatever them please. Yes sir. So tell me what you think about it, because you're all consenting adult and they are free to do whatever they want with their bodies. Some people say when you have it you flaunt it, so I guess that is what they're doing. And the good thing about it is that they might make money from it, and it look like it's a good money they might make off of it too. So me not nothing to say about it, me just have put it down here so I you can comment and tell me what you think about it. Okay, so thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.